Alright, hello guys, welcome back to another video. Today I'll be showing you guys how to make thumbnails with Pix. How to make thumbnails for YouTube videos. The app I use is PicArts. Oh, don't mind that. Alright, so basically how you make thumbnails, you search up what you need. So I just searched up, oh, I'm having some technical difficulties. Then I just put Fortnite, then I find a thing that I want, like that. Just scroll down to a skin that you have. I don't have half these skins, so yeah, so it was kind of hard finding one. And yeah, there's just a ton of stuff you can use for stuff. So the one I'm going to use is Ginger Gunner because, I have that skin. So basically you put in text, you put whatever your title of your video is if you want to. You don't have to, but you can if you want to. I did to explain to you guys how to make it. And then it's basically like that. Then you can put the color. I use gradient because it looks cool. It looks cool that you can mix colors. Like I mixed yellow and purple. So then you go save it to your phone, and then that's how. But if you're trying to make a custom thumbnail, not something that exists, search up Fortnite background. Look for a background you'd like. I just picked this one. Then you save it to your phone. Then go out. Then you search up whatever skin you want. I searched up Manic, for example. Then you go to stickers. Then you pick the Manic that you want. I chose that one so I could put a Switch controller or a controller so you save it. Then you exit out. Then you search up whatever console controller you have, like Xbox, Switch, whatever, PS4, or an iPad. I was thinking a Pro controller, but the person who made that didn't make it that good. So I just scroll down to find a good one, then I realize there's no more Pro controllers. So I go up, look for a handheld mode one. That one's not good at all. That one's alright. Then I found the perfect one. Perfect on the edges. It's just perfect all around. So then you exit out, pick the background you chose at the beginning, then press add photo, then add the skin. You can make it how big as you want. I did it for that, so you can still see the background and stuff. Then you go back to add photo, grab the Switch controller or whatever controller or iPad or phone you play on, then you try and get it right there. It's kind of hard with the Manskin, so you kind of have to go like that. It may not look that good, but if you're a really good editor, then you might be able to make it work. I sized it down so it could work. So then you just put it in your hands like that. It's not the best, but not the worst either. Then that's basically how you do it. Then you save it to your phone, then boom. And then you just, alright, my Discord server will be in the description below. My Twitch will be in the description below. My second channel will be in the description below. Thank you guys for watching. See you guys later. Alright, I also forgot you have to have the app YT Studio. Then I have 3 channels, my clan and my second channel. So I go to that one, click your video that you just uploaded, press the pencil thing, press that, press change. And you have to have your account verified. Then you just press select and then move. Thank you guys for watching. See you guys later. Bye.